Hey, 30-minute marketers. Today's quick video, we're going to be taking a look inside of a product that's launching called Shop ZPresso or Shop Z Presso, Shop Z Presso. Either way, how do you pronounce it? We're going to try to answer the question by taking a look inside. Is this really worth $19, even if it's just a one-time payment? So here we are on the sales page. It talks about ShopZPresso in just 60 seconds. Launch your own 3-in-1 online megastore that sells physical and digital products, plus get thousands of free buyers every day. Earn from home without going out. Replace your job. Sell physical, digital, and software. The software is going to be licensing software, things like WordPress plugins, apps, things like that. So it's going to create one mega store, one-click imports, all kinds of good stuff. So let's just go ahead and jump inside and take a look at the actual product. And we'll get back to this stop wait pop-up in just a few minutes. So here we are inside of the ShopsPresso dashboard where you actually configure the product. So you can see they have a nice little dashboard here. You got orders pending, orders processed, orders completed, total products that you've added, total customers, total posts, because this actually allows you to create a blog as well. We'll take a look at that here in a few minutes. So it's a nice clean dashboard. It shows you some good information, shows you your products, of course, physical products that they have here in this demo. A little report here, some pretty good, it's a decent dashboard. So you got the ability to look at your orders here, all your orders. You got the ability to add products. So for example, if you want to add a new product, you simply click there to add a new product. So that brings up your nice little interface here where you can add your physical, digital, or licensed software products. Of course, if you click on one of those, for example, you click on physical to create a new product. It'll bring you up another little dashboard here inside the interface. You can add a product name, you can have the SKU, you can drop down and select categories here. I don't see the ability to add a custom value for this subcategory. So if you were to select a category electronic, subcategory, I don't see anything dropping down in that interface. So a little concerning there, you can't add subcategories, a feature image. See here, upload image, but it doesn't have any information on the size of image that you should upload. Set gallery. Okay, so you can add all these product descriptions. So before we go any further, let's take a look at what this actually looks like outside of this interface on the actual back end of your store that you're going to be creating inside of the Shop ZPresso site that it creates. So here is what your Shop ZPresso by default is going to look like. Of course, here's going to be your logo. Here are your categories. This is going to be some type of big banner here. You're going to have all your items here. Some nice little featured carousels. Some other little banners. Nice footer here with privacy, contact information. Some recent post information. Now this recent post information is going to take you over to the blog function. So of course, if you were to click on this and open this in a new tab, this is what your blog is going to look like. Of course, it's the same interface. So here you have your home and your blog. Here you have the blog that's built into it. We'll take a look inside that, inside the dashboard in a second. Let's go ahead and just take a look and see what one of those looks like here in the demo. So here's your blog. So blog details. Here's a nice image. Okay, then you have a standard blog here. Looks like they sourced this from this site right here. How it works. So you have some social share buttons, some tags here. So, it's probably not very customizable, but we'll hop back in the dashboard real quick and take a look at that. So then if we were to go back in the dashboard under blog, you can see right here, you have the ability to go inside the blog, set your categories and your posts. Let's go ahead and look at the posts. So here's where you set your post. So you can see right here, here's the post that we were just looking at. So if we edit this post, it's a very basic pop-up editor. So you're not going to be able to do a whole lot of work inside of this. It's pretty set as far as the theme goes. So that's pretty basic and bare bones. But again, it's $19 one time. So, answer the question, is it worth $19? WordPress does a pretty good job of blogs as far as that goes, but this does give you a nice little option here to add products. It gives you the nice little option here to add affiliates. You can track your customers, customer list. Take a look at that. So here you have some customers. You can manage their deposits, unblock, block, send. So not sure how that works. You can look at transactions. So here you'll be able to see your customer transactions, the amount they spent. Gives you a nice little transaction ID. So you pop up some details here. Okay, some basic information there. Got some vendor subscription plans, manage categories, cross-selling. Now this is pretty cool here where you can actually create an actual cart. So for example, I'm pretty sure over on the sales page they talk about this being able to replace or being like Amazon, not able to replace Amazon, but being like Amazon and the ability to build these cross-relation of categories, cross-relation to products. So if you were to go to the actual store here and you were to buy something, let's say you to click on this and add to cart. So that successfully added to cart. What if we click on the buy now button? Okay, so that brought us straight to the buy now button. Apparently that doesn't have any of the cross promotion set up. So let's go back here to the demo. So let's look inside the relations and see which categories maybe they have one set up for us in the demo here. Here we go, sports and outdoor televisions, books, bags. Let's see here if we can find one. Sports and outdoors, categories, television. Let's go back over here. Okay, so we'll go back to the page here and you can look here at the products. Let's see here, let's add this one to cart. Let's see, yeah, here we go. So we're going to go ahead and add that to cart. Then here's where you're going to see those relationship categories come up. So once you add that to cart, it was added successfully. So as long as you build those relationships amongst products or categories, you'll see that this store does have functionality of being a true cart where you can add things to cart and then have an actual checkout option where you can add everything to your cart and then have one checkout to pay for everything. So that's the cross-selling relations. It has the ability to upload products in bulk. That's just a CSV file right there. You can download the sample and check that out. It does have coupons. So you can see here you can have coupon code, you can have a type, you can have amount. Let's see if we're to edit what kind of options we get. So you have some limited functionality here as far as coupons, quantity, percentage, value, start date, end date. This is not a whole lot else you can do there, but it does give you the ability to add coupons. Of course, there was the blog. Here's some messages. Here's some home page settings. Here's for your sliders. So basically, this is how you change. This is how you're going to be able to change up your storefront. So you can see here are the slider images that we saw on the storefront. Pop back over there real quick. You can see those sliders right here as they change and slide across the page. So those are all set up there. So there is the ability to customize that right there. Menu page, email, payment settings. Let's go ahead and payment settings. Let's look at payment gateways and see which payment gateways they have available. Because even though this is a store, you're not going to be able to take payments directly from the ShopsPresso software. You are going to need to set up a new payment gateway. So let's go ahead and add a new payment gateway and see what that looks like. Okay, create payment, title, subtitle. Nope, that's not. Let's see, that's not what I'm looking for, I would guess. Payment gateway, payment settings, currencies, payment information. Let's look under here. Okay, so here we go. Here are your payment gateways. Actually, these are the payment gateways that you can set up. So Stripe, PayPal, Instamojo, Paystack, Paytm, Razorpay, Guest Checkout. Okay, so they do have some different gateways you can use there. Social settings, SEO tools. Let's see what's under SEO tools. Let's see, popular products, website meta keywords. Okay, here you can set some meta keywords. Supposedly that's supposed to help you with SEO. It's not really the way SEO works. Okay, Google Analytics probably have a place for you to either put in your ID or your Google Analytics script code. Yeah. So you can put in your Google Analytics script and track that. Do have a little button here to manage your staff. So you can, looks like you can set up roles here so people can manage your store. Yeah. So you got role here, manager, moderator, staff. I'm not sure what each one of those are going to do, but we could probably look in the help and find that. So we'll take a look at help and support here in a second and see that. So there you go. Clear cache, manage roles. Here we go. That's under the staff. These are the roles. So staff, here's all the permissions you're able to do for staff, moderator, and manager. So you can set those up. Of course, where those permissions are set per page, I'm not really sure. Again, we'll take a look at help. If there is a help screen here or support button, system activation, maybe it's under system activation, generate backup activation. Okay, nope, don't see it there. Let's see, maybe I missed it here in the menu. System, clear, manager role, subscribers, staff, SEO, social, menu, homepage, general settings, logo, favicon, footer. So this is more of your web page setup, your blog, coupons, vendor manage, over here. See, what is this? This is back to your blog. It's email, cart, members, currency, edit profile. Okay, I don't see a help or support link here. So, all right. Anyway, that is a quick look inside the dashboard. Let's pop back over to the sales page real quick to make sure that what they're saying on the sales page is actually what you're getting here for $19. Oh yeah, and now back to what I said, is it really worth $19? Well, apparently, of course, this isn't live yet, but when this goes live, make sure you scroll your mouse off of the screen if you're on a desktop and see if you can get this $2 off. So apparently, it's not worth $19 because you can get it for $17. But check that out and maybe you'll get $2 discount if you think this is worth it. So we'll go back here and we'll take a quick look at this. Launch a brand new 3-in-1 online mega store. Here's the thing about this is the 3-in-1 online mega store, you're going to get physical, digital, and the ability to sell licensed products such as software. Do you really need that combination? Again, for $19 or $17, if you get the pop-up window, you can get the $2 discount. So for 17 bucks, you can get a nice little piece of software. If you have products that you need to sell, I mean, this might be valuable to you. If you don't have products, most likely you should spend your $17 or $19 in another place. We'll take a look at a few alternatives here in a second. So step 1, create your ShopsPresso account. Step 2, import or add products in one click. Okay, I didn't really see where to do that, but of course, there was no help or support button to like guide me through the setup of it. Of course, when you buy it, you may get an introduction video that says, hey, here's how you set everything up. I'm not really sure. But there's no direct link from inside the members interface or the members area. Step 3, there is no step 3, enjoy profit. So step 1, step 2, so 3 simple steps are really just 2 steps. So boom, you've launched in 60 seconds. Get unlimited free traffic. I'm not sure what that means. Built-in affiliate program, pay a small commission to all your affiliates, just like Amazon does. Enjoy free unlimited traffic from your visitors. So they're saying that the free traffic you're going to get here to your online megastore, Shop Z Presso, is going to be from affiliates. But this is kind of bizarre because this screen here is not a Shop Z Presso screen. Like that's not your orders right here, like orders processing, or let's go, where was it at? Vendors, customers, transactions. Let's see what they have here under transactions. That screen looks really familiar, but it doesn't look like something that came from Shop Z Presso, because here is your vendor transactions with your amounts. On the sales page, you're showing this screen. So I'm pretty sure that's a Warrior Plus screen. We're going to take a look at that in a second. Oh yeah, for sure. Convert free traffic into sales automatically using Shop Z Presso. And they're showing you a screenshot from Warrior Plus. And the reason I know that's Warrior Plus is I'll pop over to my Warrior Plus account. And you can see right here, I'm logged into Warrior Plus, Baker Gary. This is my Warrior Plus account right here. So you can see the sales that I've done in Warrior Plus in the last month, 30 days. And then you go back to the sales page. So they're not showing you screenshots from ShopsPresso, they're showing you screenshots from Warrior Plus. Okay, there's some words here. So here's the thing. This is from Mosh Bari. And if you've had the pleasure of having a product from Mosh Bari, I mean, then you know what you're getting for your $17 or $19. Again, is this product worth $19? This product works. Does it work? Yeah, I mean, you just saw the inside of the interface. It does work. Is the sales page over the top? Are they showing you screenshots from Warrior Plus and talking about how you're going to convert and turn that into sales? So there's a little disconnect there for me. So right off the bat, that's a disconnect for me. But again, 17 bucks, you can pick this up, have a nice little store. If you have physical products, If you have digital products, if you're licensing your software products and you needed a quick, simple storefront, this definitely might be worth $19. So I purchased from Mosh Bari in the past. I picked up a product called Passive Profit Builder Unlimited. And of course, here if you access that purchase, you can see that that was purchased in 2017 right here. So access that purchase, you can see it is still available. So I went over to access that app and then I log in. The app is still there. I'm still able to create it, to use it. So what this does is just creates a little simple, helpful PDF that I wanted to be able to do real quick before I realized I could do it just as quick and easier and customize it better on my own without this tool. But here's currently, if I go to create and share inside of this tool, just to show you, again, just to show you what's going on with this tool, I go ahead and I try to create the nice little easy PDF, and I am getting an error here. Again, I bought this tool in 2017. As you can see here, I bought it on JVZoo back in 2017. So it is 2020. So to think that the tool should work for 3 years, I mean, that's up to you whether or not it should be working. Of course, yes, I could contact Mosh Bari and his team here at his help desk, but you know, I paid $27 for this tool. It didn't really do what I needed it to do. It looked good at the time, but it didn't give me the ability to customize it the way I needed it. So again, same thing here with your shop that you're going to get. Here you're going to get a nice storefront. Of course, this is customizable here to a certain extent, but you could add your products. So let's say you already have products, physical products, digital products, and you do want to do like the sales page says, and you want to get rid of the overhead that you're paying for the Shopify, Amazon, or ClickBank, because basically what they're saying here, you're getting a 3-in-1 mega store to be able to create your own platform to sell products that charge anywhere from $29 to $199 a month. Ivanto says that they're robbing you by taking 50% of your sales. ClickBank and other digital networks like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, although they are selling this on Warrior Plus, they're not selling it on ShopZPresso themselves. So you can see here, that's their aim, their goal is to get you a nice little tool to get rid of those percentages that you're losing to those companies. Of course, those companies come with other benefits. For example, Shopify, ClickBank, they have built-in affiliates, whereas here you're going to have to recruit your own affiliates to get traffic to your store. So they're going to say no more creating pages or adding products, no more using complicated creator software, no more having to deal with developers, designers. Okay, early reviews are in. Here they're showing some stats. Apparently this is from the inside of Shop Z Presso. Let's see, maybe it's down here on the sales page somewhere. They're going to show some examples of people that have successful Shop Z Presso accounts, like you see over on Shopify and WooCommerce, which are some alternatives, which we'll talk about here in a second. Of course, here, get unlimited free traffic from your visitors. Again, that's talking about if you recruit affiliates. So you're going to get all that. Does the software work? Yeah, it does. So you're getting all this stuff. All the buttons are in there. It's just you're going to have to, create all that. So let's see, infinite possibilities. The bottom line is you're getting all this, plus you're going to get these bonuses here. 10x profit, paid traffic for life, more training, some type of other software here. Not really going to spend a whole lot of time on the sales page because most likely it's just a bunch of hyped up nonsense. But again, we're talking about a $17 product. Is it worth it? I think you could make something of this if it doesn't stop working. But one thing that I would say here, that I would look at the frequently asked questions real quick. Is this really beginner friendly? It sure is. You've seen testimonials above. Already making money with the software. You won't need a website or any technical skills. So it's not saying you won't need a website, but this is a piece of software that you have to install on your own website. So, you're going to see things like that, a little bit of inconsistency, and that may just be a typo, or they may overlook that when they copied and pasted that from their last launch. Who knows? So, again, 17 bucks, 19 bucks if you need a storefront. I wouldn't think that this is going to get you free traffic from thousands of visitors for free. I wouldn't count on the SEO inside of this working. I mean, it's just like anything else right here, a blog site to add posts for SEO for getting more traffic. I wouldn't count on that. Their SEO optimization with their meta tags, I mean, that's not going to get you very far, and you're not going to be able to customize your blog posts. You saw the limitations of the interface. So again, 17 bucks, 19 bucks if you don't get the $2 discount from the pop-up window that you saw here at a while back in this review, this walkthrough. So again, is it worth 17, 19 bucks if you have digital products, if you have physical products, if you're trying to license some products and you need that and you can download the software and upload it to your web host? I would say go for it. But I would also say take a look at WooCommerce, which is free and open source. It works with WordPress. I mean, is WooCommerce really free? Yes, it's free to download. To customize it, it's going to take your time. This is one of the things that a lot of people discount. Even if you're going to spend 19 bucks on ShopZPresso, it's still going to take up your time to learn ShopZPresso. Of course, here they do have support for WooCommerce. I didn't see a support button or a help button other than going to the help desk inside of ShopZCommerce or ShopZPresso. So another thing is, Shopify, make sure you understand the pricing options here, what it really costs you. Also, take a look at their online store examples and look at some of these examples and the customization they're able to do and the big brands and the people that are using Shopify. Because here's the thing, people that are using Shopify and WooCommerce or even something like GrooveCart, or people that are selling their digital products on Warrior Plus, or people that are using something like Product Dino to add licensing to their WordPress plugins or to their software, which has full help and support here. People aren't concerned about what they're claiming here, talking about you don't need to pay these charges or these 50% of fees. People that are using WooCommerce, Shopify, people that are making money from this, they're not focused on things that don't make money. For example, buying a $19 piece of software and futzing around with it on your website to make it work and getting support after the launch of a product that probably is going to fade away. If it does work, yes, you saved a lot of money up front, but in the time and the effort and the time you do support, and then of course, if something goes wrong with the software and you have to go back to get support and updates and all that, did you really save any money? The time you're spending versus using Shopify or Envanto or ClickBank, which have an army of affiliates. It also is hosted on huge platforms that don't have any downtime, that have maintenance windows built into them. All this stuff when I talk about when you're driving huge amounts of traffic. If $29 is your big hurdle to get over, if you want to create a Shopify store, well, ShopZPresso is not going to get you where you want to go. The mindset is your problem, not the money. You need to stop stepping over dollars to pick up pennies, buying $19 products, and go and do research on Shopify and how to market your Shopify store. Go and do research on what products are selling and how to run Facebook ads to get high quality targeted leads and traffic to your Shopify store. So anyway, that is a quick look inside of ShopZPresso. Is it worth 19 bucks or 17 bucks if you can get the little pop-up? Software probably works because we just walked through, we clicked on all the buttons are working. You saw the one cool little thing here that I thought was pretty neat where they had the cross-selling relations built in. So it gives you the ability to build a real cart so you can have customers add everything they want to their checkout and then check out one time. So a cart like SamCart or ThriveCart or even Pay Kickstart doesn't really have that option. They have to pay each time as they go through a funnel. So again, this might be a nice little option if you don't want to set up something like a WooCommerce or something like some kind of checkout software on your WordPress and you just want to buy ShopZPresso for 19 bucks, then yeah, why not? Check it out, see if it works for you. And if you do pick it up, let me know in the comments or over my Facebook group. I would love to hear about it. And if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the other videos you see here on the end screen. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.